They already out. No shoulder. He's right there on the edge of the clump of that grass. He was in the spring earlier. We still working on this road.
Where is it? Are you still recording?
I don't know how many of y'all remember this road, but we waiting on inspection now. Finally got it done. I'm actually waiting on 2 more truckloads of gravel. I got certain areas to fill in, but it goes down there to that barn, all the way past that barn, and then it goes way over there down the hill to the creek. I have to show y'all that when we get done, or when I get back there, because I'm not walking back there. So anyway, yeah, then it goes back up past the Bobcat down to the main road. Y'all pray I pass inspection. Here's this wet water stream, wet water crossing. 30 foot of riprap all the way down through here. It can't pond up the creek, and we couldn't waterfall it off on this side, so everything has to flow naturally through. But we got it. We done, and we passed inspection. Thank you.